Hello, today we need to find the HCF of 25 and 75. HCF means the biggest number that can split into both 25 and 75 with nothing left over. We will break both numbers into tiny pieces called prime factors. Let's start with 25. Can we split 25 by 5? Yes, 5 times 5 is 25. And 5 is already a prime number, so we stop here. So 25 is just 5 times 5. We can also write that as 5 to the power 2. That means 2 5s times together. Now let's break down 75. Can we split 75 by 3? Yes, 3 times 25 is 75. Then we split 25 by 5 to get 5. And 5 split by 5 gives us 1. We are done. So 75 is 3 times 5 times 5. We can write the 2 5s as 5 to the power 2. Easy peasy. Now let's look at both numbers together. See the pieces they share? Both have a 5 and another 5. The number 3 is only in 75, so we don't pick that one. The pieces they share are 5 and 5. Now we times them together. 5 times 5 is 25. That's our HCF. Great job. The HCF of 25 and 75 is 25. That means 25 is the biggest number that fits into both 25 and 75 perfectly with nothing left over. You did amazing.